So, hello, Mr. Sarvesh ji. How are you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm fine, pretty well. Thank you so much for asking me. What about you?
I'm feeling great. I'm feeling over the moon, and so far no complaint. So I'm happy. I'm elated, delighted, and feeling awesome.
Great. That sounds good.
Okay, let's embark the conversation. But before we proceed further, I want you to introduce yourself.
Of course, why not? Yeah, ma'am. So, first of all, thank you for asking my introduction. So, my name is Sarvesh Kumar, and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I have done my graduation, and after that, I did law. So, currently, I'm preparing for government lawyer. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are listening to music, playing cricket, reading books. These are all my hobbies. And if I talk about my goal, so I want to be a government lawyer as well,
Mm-hmm.
a speaker in my life. That's all about my thing.
Great to know that. Okay, so Sarvesh ji, my first question to you,
Of course, you
right?
can.
We are learning this language. You are learning this language. I'm learning this language, right?
Yeah,
we
of course,
always
you are right.
we always talk about the benefit, right? Advantage of this language, this English language. But I'm not going to ask you the advantage of this language, right? What
Right.
I'm going, right? So my question is, what is so difficult part in English for you?
Oh my God. Just
Is
English. Difficult part in my past or current, like right now.
any if you want to do your related to your
Okay.
past, present.
Okay, so when I started my spoken language, that time I faced a lot of, you can say, challenges. That time, I, uh, I was not able to speak properly. I was, you can say, I was not able to learn this language just because you can say I'm not native speaker, and I'm a visual to speak in Hindi language. So that time you can say when I started, so that time I had a friend, so he told me everything about English language because you can say he speaks very well because he's English medium student. So he knows how to speak in language. He knows how to teach student because he is a good tutor. Even though he is preparing for government job, he want to be in his life. You can say UPPCS. It's been judge. Judge.
Mhm.
So he told me about the English language. So that time I like that maybe he can learn. So why am I not? So that day I started my spoken language, and you can say I faced a lot of problem. Like you can say when I started my first conversation on video call, that time I faced a lot of problem. Like you can say, uh, I, I was fumble. I got stuck, and I got nervous. That time you can say I was felt a lot of like this things. But now I'm little bit fumbling just because you can say in front of you I'm talking currently. So maybe I can say that little bit. So I think I'm over the moon right now just because I'm talking to you.
No. Okay, okay, great to know that. Great to know that. Okay, so let's just do one activity. Are you ready to do one activity with me?
Yes, of course, I will try.
Okay, I'll show you some objects first of all, right? I'll show you some object and you need to frame the sentences.
Of course, I will. Oh my God, it is a pen,
Pen. The
pen,
last word is pen. The last
pen,
word is pen, right?
pen.
Now again make the sentence related to pen.
Oh my God, pen is made like a plastic, and it is a crucial part for us, and it is very beautiful, like because you can say. It almost people they keep one pocket and front of pockets most times just because
Only
it's
one
showing like
sentence. Only one sentence you have to frame. Only one sentence.
and it is made of plastic.
Plastic. Now the last word is plastic.
Okay.
Again, you have to frame the sentence related to plastic.
Okay, man, I will.
Mhm.
It is made of plastic.
Plastic, plastic. You have to use plastic. Like plastic is harmful for environment, right?
Yeah,
Plastic is harmful for environment, right? Why
right,
I'm
right.
doing this activity? Why I'm doing this activity? You can do it at your home. You know, first frame one sentence, then the last word of the sentence. Again, frame the sentence on that word, right? Right. That's how you can make the chain of the sentences. First of all, and second thing, you will try to use your brain in spontaneous talk. Spontaneous मतलब immediately कोई चीज आपके सामने आया उसके बारे में आप बोलेंगे, and you
Yeah,
will
of
put
course.
pressure on your brain. You will put the pressure on your brain, and on top of that you will get different ideas, different ideas for different words,
Yeah, of course, you are absolutely right. I
right?
will.
Because repeatedly, time and again, if we will talk about a simple topic, simple sentences, we will not reach up, we will not improve, right? We will be stuck to one point only, right? So this is a
Right.
beautiful activity. You can do it at your home. Any take any object, like I'm showing you this object, right? This is, what is this? Can you tell me?
Uh, like a
This is
Google
a
Box,
this is a specs case, ठीक है?
fixed screen.
इसमें हम चश्मा रखते हैं. This is specs case. Now the and सबसे आखिरी का word क्या है? Case. Case.
Case.
Now frame the sentence on case.
Wow.
Case is useful to keep some tiny objects. Now the last word is object. Now frame the sentence on object, right? That's how you can well versed with the different structure of sentences, different object, and on top of that, you don't need any co-learner. You can practice by your own, by talking to yourself. It will create a kind of a pressure to your brain. Your brain will start storming. अब सोचना शुरू कर देगा फिर आपका brain. It will help you, right? We have what is most important in this language is you have to come out from your comfort place से आपको बाहर आना है. You have to come out from your comfort place. It's very important.
Yeah, without
Challenge yourself. See, challenge yourself. One day you will have problem, second day you will have problem, third day you will have little problem, and fourth day you will be fluent with the problem. You will go, oh, aane do, let it become. I will face it. I can do it.
yeah, you're absolutely right. Hmm.
So face the challenge. That is most important.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, ma'am. I will try. I will do, not try.
Uh-huh. Okay. So anything you want to ask me?
Uh, now my mind goes blank. I don't know. I am unable to ask you
Okay.
anything.
Let me just give you why your mind is going blank, because you were not prepared for the activity.
Yeah,
we
you're
have
absolutely
we have to inculcate such activities in our communication skill, in our conversation. It will help you to think more.
right.
Don't
Yeah,
worry now.
absolutely.
See what will happen. Today you will go blank, another day you will go blank, third day you will go, how many days you will go blank. Over the period of time your mind will going, oh my god, I'm tired now I have to speak, right? You will
Yeah, right.
prepare your brain to speak. That's how you are. That's how you are giving a homework to your brain, first of all, right? To think more. And second thing, you are developing, you are establishing yourself for such activity, kind of habit you are creating for yourself.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, ma'am. You can see my little bit cloth is sweating.
No
So
worries,
maybe,
no worries. No worry. Take a deep breath inside out. Relax yourself. Right. You can do it right now. Right. We need to challenge. Like I told you, challenge yourself. Always ready for anything. If any situation, if any opportunity coming in your way, always get to ready to grab it. Right.
yeah,
And
you're
make
absolutely,
most of it. Make the most of it. Take the full advantage. Huh?
yeah,
Ultimately, you are you are not going with the empty hand. Ultimately, you will learn something, isn't it?
Yeah, you are absolutely right, ma'am.
Right? Okay, so Sarvesh, you have any question for me?
You, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I had, but I'm little bit, you can say, exhausted, so I'm unable to ask you more and more questions. So please, I think we should wrap our conversation just
Okay.
because I'm unable. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, no worries. We can wrap up this conversation here, and we'll connect again some other time, right?
Okay.
And do this activity. This activity is really helpful for you.
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Okay, and hope you like the session. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Same, ma'am.
Bye.
Same here, ma'am.